Hunter, can you count to 10 for me?
1, 2, 3, height. 10.
No. Do it again. Do it again.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, that's good. That's
Wait.
good. Who do you want to say hi to?
No.
Who should watch your video?
Me.
You? What about like grandma or grandpa?
No.
No?
Mama. Mama, Papa. Papa. Mama.
Who's that? What's that train's name?
Chichi.
Which one?
That one.
What's that one's name?
That one.
You can't remember?
Andy.
What color is that train?
Red.
Good job. Find a blue train.
That one.
Oh, good. What about a green train? Good job. Do you have a yellow train?
Yellow. Yellow.
What color is that?
Yellow.
It's kind of yellow. Molly is more yellow, but I don't know where Molly is.
Right here. And
No, Molly's probably hiding in your room somewhere.
No. Molly back, go. Molly back, go.
Molly's back?
Yeah.
Probably in your room with Molly.
Molly. Get it. Molly, back it. Get it.
Good job.
Back over. Oops. Oops. Pick it. I can pick it.
Did you fix it?
Yes. Do it.
What's the blue train's name?
Justin.
Thomas?
Yeah.
What about the green one?
Green. Flotty.
Percy?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Justin.
Thomas's train?
Wally hot. Wally.
Water?
Yeah. Wally and then.
There's not water in that one. There's water in the one that's in the bathtub.
Oh. What? Wally and then. No.
Go get the one from the bathtub that has water in it. Yeah.
Fish water hat.
Yeah.
Fish.
The fish? Or the train? Don't you have a train that has water in it?
No. Fish hat. Water.
What about, don't you have Salty and Percy in the bathtub? Go get it. Uh-oh. Can you fix it? Got it?
Yes, I did. Open.
You gotta move this so it's not in the way.
Okay. Choo choo.
Go the other way. Go the other way.
Alright.
Don't get mad at it.
So, Matt, go away. Daddy's day.
What is that? No, you gotta go the other way. It doesn't turn like that. You want me to help you? Did you go that way?
Yeah.
Did it go past the airport? Back it up. You gotta back it up and then turn. Back up, back up, back up. Now turn. There you go. You need help? Uh-oh, don't crash. You should go in your room and get all your other trains. Yeah, go get them all. Uh-oh, who's there? You want to put it away?
Yeah.
What happened to the little bucket for all the trash?
Gone.
I think it's in your room.